Good day, everyone. This is Blair White with John R. Wood Properties, hosting the open house from 1 to 4 p.m. located at 419 Mooring Line Drive. Absolutely beautiful property. 4-bed plus den, 5 bathrooms. The home overlooks the bay on Bowline. But this particular room actually was converted into a closet. It's probably the biggest closet I think I've ever stepped foot in. As you can see, you have cabinets going from floor to ceiling. Nice little chandelier. Lockable jewelry box here right in the middle. And then full-size bathroom. So you have a 12-foot by 13-foot closet, my ladies. And then you walk out. And you walk through the little living room. Not too little. And you get this beautiful view after you just get all dolled up. Every woman and man's dream, in my opinion. I'll be here from 1 to 4 p.m. and I look forward to seeing you all. Take care.